What's up, YouTube? This is a trade recap of how I made 700% return at 6:31 a.m. this morning. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. This trade was taken on Netflix, as you can see right here. And I use an inside bar strategy. I use it almost every day. If you want to watch the video on how to do it, click the video in the corner. We caught this trade on Thursday last week, and we were breaking out of that inside bar. Here's that trade on the lower time frame of where I got in on Thursday. I entered with 5 contracts and I sold 3 of them pretty quickly in this area here on the same day, and then I held 2 of the contracts into today. And today, right when the market opened, I sold one of the contracts immediately, and then I sold the other contract while we were making this wick up here. And simple as that. The inside bar strategy typically, when you break out of an inside bar, typically the market has been coiling within a range for a little while, and then once you break out of that range, then you get an explosive move, which is the power of the inside bar strategy. So as you can see here, we actually had an inside bar on the weekly chart, which is this thicker red line, and then we also had an inside bar right here on the daily chart. So as we broke out of both of those, we got an explosive move to the upside, which I was able to capitalize on. So that's about it for this YouTube video, and I'll see you in the next one.